Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno4 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this button we get access to more options we can manage, and now let's focus on this button from the right. By tapping on this we can open the advanced camera settings. As you can see here we have the flip selfie option, so this is the mirror effect here. We can turn it on like that by using this button and also turn it off. So this is how it works. Also, as you can see, the device gives us some advice that this is possible to use only when we use the front camera. So remember to change the back camera to the front before you want to get the flip selfie. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.